of Mice and Men, Chapter 5, Pop Quiz. What was Curly's wife's dream? To be a ranch owner, to be a school teacher, or to be a movie star? What does Curly's wife think happened to the letters from the Hollywood producer? The producer never actually wrote to her? The producer lost her address? Or her mother stole the letters and hid them from her? Who is the first person to discover Curly's wife's body? Candy, Crooks, or George? What does Candy ask George about after the discovery? If they can still get the farm? If they should tell the boss? Or if they should run away? What is Curly's reaction to his wife's death? He is heartbroken. He immediately vows to kill Lenny, or he blames George. Who is Lenny mad at after killing the puppy? Himself, George, or the puppy? Where does Lenny go after killing Curly's wife? To the bunkhouse to find George? To the clearing by the river? Or to the town? How does Candy react to Curly's wife's death? He is very sad about it. He gets very mad at Lenny for ruining things, or he wants to still go ahead and buy the ranch. Why does George pretend he didn't know about Curly's wife's death? He doesn't want the men to think he was part of it. He was afraid Lenny would hurt him too. Or he thought Curly's wife was still alive. What item is discovered to be missing, leading to suspicion about Lenny? A knife, Carlson's gun, or a truck? What are the other ranch hands doing while Lenny is in the barn with Curly's wife? They are in town, they are busy working in the fields, or they are relaxing and playing horseshoes. Why didn't Curly's wife go away with the actors that she met when she was 15? Her mom wouldn't let her? She was afraid they would hurt her? Or she didn't think she would be a good actress? What does George admit to Candy after seeing what Lenny did? He always knew they wouldn't get their own ranch. He knew that Lenny would get violent, or he wanted Lenny to run away. What does George do before going to find Lenny? Try to convince the other men that Lenny didn't do it? Steal a gun from the bunkhouse? Or tell Candy to pack his bags so they can run away? What lie does George tell the other men? That they came from the north, so Lenny would have run south? That Lenny would probably have tried to hide at his family's farm, or that Lenny stole Carlson's gun? How did you score?